Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to install the new core LED lights by OPT-7. And I'm going to put these in my wife's car. It's a 2011 Nissan Altima. And these lights, or this particular model, this replaces the H11 bulb, which is the low beam. And so in the kit what you're going to get is your two LEDs, your LED drivers, and then your plug and play adapters. So these are real simple. They just connect to here. The plug and play will connect to here, and then this will connect to the car. So real simple. We're going to do that in a second. But the thing with these Nissan Altimas, I don't know if anybody's real familiar with those, but in order to replace the headlight bulbs, you either have to take the entire headlight assembly out, which is a complete pain in the butt, which is ridiculous, or what you can do, which is what I'm going to do, is you can go in under here. And basically to do that, I'll try to get a light under here. I'll try to show you. You're just going to remove, there's 4 or 5 of these little plugs right here, kind of screw type things that hold this splash guard in place by the tire. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove those. There's, like I said, there's one there, there's a couple more down here, and you're going to remove those, and that'll give you access to the light bulb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do that, and I'll get right back with you. Alright, once you got those removed, I forgot there's 2 little screws right up under the bumper right here that you will remove too. And as soon as you do all that, you should be able to pull the splash guard back enough to where you can get in there and see. It's going to be real hard to tell. Find my other flashlight here. See, I can show you right up there. That's the H11 bulb. That's your low beam. That's going to come out. That's going to replace. So all you do with that is you just twist it and disconnect it from the wiring harness and pull it right out. So let's do that. Alright, now that we got the old bulb out, all you're going to do with these, sorry about that, you're going to attach them. It's pretty easy. Just screw this end into this end right here, and it's not going to, you can't mess it up because you see there's a little notch on this one, and then there's a little, you can't really tell, there's a little notch there. So all you're going to do is just plug them together. See if I can get this in frame for you. Line up the notches, you'll plug it together, and then you'll just screw it down. Tighten it up. And then you have your plug and play connector, and you're just going to attach that as well. So this end is going to attach to your new LED light. No, right. So, and it's going to clip. Going to get in there and get a nice fit in there. It's going to clip in place, and you'll hear it clip in. So then this end here connects to the car. So now all you have to do is you just have to put this back into the hole there. You'll twist it. You'll put it in the hole and you'll twist it clockwise to lock it into place, and then you'll hook this back up to the car wiring harness and test your lights out. So let me get this put in. I will tell you, when you get in over here, when you don't have a whole lot of room unless you want to take this whole guard out, which I didn't want to. So I've got it back enough to where I can get in there just barely, so just keep that in mind. So let me get this put in place and we'll see if it works. I'll be right back. Alright, so I finally got it in there, and as you can tell, it is on. So we won't really know how well it looks until the nighttime. So, and then now all I have to do is put all the screws and stuff back in place and fix that wire hanging down there and button everything back up and do the other side. So stay with me, I'm going to do the other side. It's just the same as this side, and then I'm not going to bore you with that. And then we'll go out for a night drive, see how it looks at night. I'll be right back. Alright, well, I've had these in now a couple of weeks, and so I can tell you that the camera can't pick up how well these things are doing. I mean, they're extremely bright. I've been very happy with them. There's a definite noticeable difference, especially out to the sides. So it's definitely you have a wider angle out to the side, and it's definitely noticeable, obviously, out to the front of you as well. But you know, you just like regular lights, you can't really pick up on it until you're out here where I live. I live out in the country, so it's really dark at night. So these things work excellent out here. I mean, it's just unbelievable how well they do work. And again, the installation, it was very easy, simple plug and play installation. The hardest part of the installation was getting to the actual light itself, through the wheel well. But even that wasn't too hard. It was just a little bit time consuming. But so overall the process went very well, and I've been very happy with them so far. And like I said, we'll continue using them. I haven't had any problems with them yet, which is nice. So I can tell it's a pretty foggy night out here tonight, and they're doing pretty well. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope I didn't bore you too much with this video. It's kind of a quick installation, and thanks for watching.